thanks sana for the suggestions mmekuwa mkisuggest kuhusu the thing I should do with the money that Ringtone gifted me after niliquit the wife material. So wengine wamekuwa wakiniambia nianze boutique, mara nguo za watoi, mara cosmetics, vitu kama Bitcoin, I don't even know what that is, foreign exchange, so many things. Actually kuna mtu aliniambia bet na wekelee manu kichwa. Anyway, since I already had a business that is a club, I decided to do something that's gonna boost my income more and bring me more customers in the process, yeah. But before I show you what I did with the money, kuna time nilikuwa nataka sana kununua pikipiki. Yani Mulamwa alikuwa ameni-influence. I really wanted to buy myself a pikipiki and see how it goes, we go about it. But the problem with pikipiki ni story na saa yote sijui spare parts, sijui nini, sijui gani. Nikaona itanikula kichwa sana, sipendi kukulwa kichwa na vitu. So I decided to do something. Please don't judge me. Yeah? Okay. Anyway, come with me, let me. Ta-da! Yeah. Nilibuy pool table. Yeah? Hii pool table nilinunua 75,000 shillings. Yeah, I know. Niko na change ya 25,000. Hiyo ndafikiria vile nitafanya nayo. Not yet anymore. Now, hii pool imekuwa hapa for 2 weeks. Yeah? So the first 5 days nilitoa 2,700. That is in 5 days. So 2,700 divided by 5, that is like 540 shillings. So I was very happy about that. So now I've decided the rest of the days, like in the, I don't know, 8 days, nataka nitoe na nyinyi. Tuone kama I made a wise decision. Yeah. Nimezipanga in 200 form, so kila moja ni 200 times 1 2 3 4 5. So that means ini 1,000, so 1,000 2,000 3,000 4,000 5,000 6,000. This is 400, then 1 2 3 4 5 500 and 60. So hii inamaanisha ni 6,560 shillings. Imagine 6,560 in 8 days. 8 days. So 6560 divided by 8, that's roughly like 820 shillings per day. Imagine, inanipea 800, kitu yenye haitumii stima, kitu yenye sijaandikia mfanyikazi, kitu yenye haina rent kwa sababu iko ndani ya club. Yani something which is just there. No maintenance, no nothing. 820 shillings. And that is just in the second week. So you can imagine in a month's time, itakuwa inanipea, let's say 1,000 shillings per day. So imagine 1,000 shillings per day, that is 30,000 shillings per month. So in like roughly 3 months, itakuwa isharudisha pesa yake. 75,000 itakuwa isharudi kitambo sana, na nika invest in something else. So to me, I made a good decision. So what do you think?